This is the Triton T80 Pro-Fit. We're going to look today how to change a pressure relief device that is operated, commonly called a PRD. I'll just demonstrate for you what it would look like. So we'll turn the shower on, and as you can see, there's a lot of water around the area coming out near the hose. Okay, I'll just turn that back off again. I'll disconnect the electric so we're safe, then we'll take the cover off. And as you can see, that's the offending article. It's all the water. It's very easy to change, just a couple of screws. You need a number 1 posi drive. We'll go in there, take both screws out. And 2, and we'll just pull that out, and as you can see, in there is a diaphragm, and the diaphragm itself comes out, and you can see it's actually ripped, so it's operated. That's where the water's coming from. Now we need to put in a new one, but before we do that, I'll just show you that you may come across this type, which is the old type of pressure relief device. The new type is this one, and it is compatible, fully compatible with the other one. Just take this one out, place this one in, and then replace the 2 screws. So we start off by putting that screw in. That's 1. That's 2. And that's it, nice and secure. I'm now going to offer the cover back up and replace it. Okay, I'm going to restore the power now. Obviously you'll put the screws in, the 3 screws, but I'm just going to demonstrate. Turn the shower on, and as you can see, there's absolutely no water now coming from around the area where the water was coming before. That concludes the tutorial on the Triton T80 Pro-Fit. For any more information on the Triton T80 Pro-Fit or any other shower in the Triton range, please visit our website or our dedicated YouTube channel.